This is Cura, and I do have a plugin called Mesh Tools, which is telling me this model is not watertight. After a bit that goes off. I don't know why it goes off. I'm going to use 3D Builder to repair it. So you need to download it from the sort of app store, I believe. The class as an application. Anyway, when you get it, you go into it. This is the first page. And you want to go to open here. So you've already, then go to the load objects. You see I've already done this. This is the file that said it was not watertight, so click on it, click open. That is not enough. You need to inspect model. Then you can click here to repair it. Now this might take a while to do this. Just let this sort of bar graph move along here. So it's moving. When it's finished, go to menu, save as, and it wants to use that file format, but I'm going to change it to STL. I'm not sure if that's binary or ASCII. I'm going to change the name to 3D. Well, put that at the beginning of it. Yeah, because I'm doing STL as opposed to is a 3MF. 3MF can contain a lot more information than STL. But that should be okay. Go back into Cura. And I'll load that file up, the 3D Builder file. Which, that one there. And see, it doesn't come back with that watertight error. So, presumably that's fixed well enough to print. Quite often I'm using the right hand mouse button to make sure there's no gaps underneath. Okay, this is a over 3D print this. That's just about the repair there.